A prototype of the hydrogen motorbike from Kawasaki has been shown since last year. However, recently at an exhibition in Japan, the original form of the Kawasaki Ninja H2 Hydrogen Small Mobility and Engine or HySE appeared. The Ninja H2 HySE appears in a silver, light blue and slightly black color scheme. However, the motorbike still looks like a prototype, so it's not a production version yet. Don't go anywhere. Stay here. As the name suggests, the Ninja H2 HySE is based on the Ninja H2 SX Sport Tourer. Only if you pay attention. Its shape becomes swollen because it carries new components that can process alternative fuels, namely hydrogen. For example, on the rear side, a tank is installed that carries hydrogen. Then the fairing also looks bigger, so it looks more ready to be taken on long trips or touring. However, the essence of HySE or Hydrogen Small Mobility and Engine is that this concept is valid and can be done. The success of this hydrogen motorbike project will be when it enters the production line and can be purchased. Kawasaki and Yamaha are also working with Toyota on hydrogen projects. Maybe it has something to do with the Toyota Corolla, which uses an internal combustion engine with hydrogen fuel. So we'll just have to wait and see what the production version of Kawasaki's hydrogen motorbike will look like. Moreover, Kawasaki has successfully introduced a strong hybrid motorbike, namely the Kawasaki Ninja 7 HEV, so the technology is ready. According to Kawasaki Motors Company Limited CEO Hiroshi Ito, it is based on the Kawasaki Ninja H2 SX. Unlike the usual team green color, the prototype design uses various soothing shades of blue. You'll also see it on the HySE logo, as well as on the HySE X1 vehicle that will be racing at the 2024 Dakar. Not much concrete information or details are provided. While the video features a test rider showing off the Ninja 7 Hybrid's walk functionality, and the first public exhibition of a hybrid engine motorbike prototype, there is unfortunately no short clip of a startup. President Ito went on to say that testing of this prototype will begin soon, which may be why the startup was not attempted while the cameras were rolling.